I'm Uma from Tutors.com, and in today's video we are going to learn about polygons and 3D shapes. So the main topics which we are going to cover in this video are polygons, and then we'll have a quick discussion about 3D shapes. So let's move forward, and here are a few warm-up questions for you. So you can pause the video to try the given questions, and after that you can resume the video to check your answers. We'll pat you back if all of your answers are correct, and now let's move forward and let's have a quick discussion about polygon. So we can say that polygons are two-dimensional shapes. They are made up of straight lines and the shape are always closed. So in simple words, we can say that a polygon is a closed two-dimensional shape which is made up of straight sides. And if you talk about the meaning of this word two-dimensional, that means that it is a flat shape. So now let's try to understand the concept of polygon with the help of given examples. If you look at the first shape, that's a polygon because this shape has straight sides, it is closed, and that's a 2D shape. Now let's talk about this shape. So why this shape is not a polygon? That's a closed shape, that's a 2D shape, but if you look at all the sides, they are not straight. So this side has a curve. That's why that's not a polygon. And if you look at the next shape, that has straight sides, and that's a 2D shape, but that's not closed, and that is the reason why that's not a polygon. So we can say that to be a polygon, all the three conditions has to be satisfied. Let's move forward and let's talk about different types of polygons. So if you talk about a three-sided shape or a three-sided polygon, we call that a triangle. A four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. So now let's talk about polygons in detail. So we can classify polygons into two types, regular and irregular. So in a regular polygon, all the sides are of the same length and all its angles are of the same size. So for that example could be a square because all the sides have the same length and all the angles are 90 degrees. Let's talk about irregular polygons. So in an irregular polygon, the sides are not all the same length and all of its angles are not the same size. And its example could be a rectangle, which is there. So let's write the name of the given shape here. So now let's move forward and let's see different types of polygons. So we can call a three-sided polygon triangle, a four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral, a five-sided polygon is a pentagon, a six-sided polygon is a hexagon, a seven-sided polygon is a heptagon, and with that the eight-sided polygon is called an octagon. Now let's move forward and let's talk about a 3D shape. So if you talk about a 3D shape, 3D means the shape has three dimensions: length, width, and the depth. And here are a few examples of 3D shapes: rectangular prism, sphere, cone, cylinder, pyramid, and a cube. And there are many more 3D shapes which is around us. So in simple words, we can say that 3D shapes are three-dimensional shapes or solid shapes. You can think of a ball, that's 3D shape, and an easy way to think of 3D shape is any shape or object that takes up airspace. So let's discuss a few of 3D shapes in detail. So this one is a cube. So we can describe any 3D shape with the help of faces, edges, and vertices. Let's talk about this cube. So it has 6 faces. If we talk about edges, we can say that where two faces meet, the line segment is called an edge. And if we talk about a cube, we have 12 edges. And if we talk about vertex, we can say that it is the corner of where more than two edges meet. So 4 on this side and 4 there at the bottom. So in total we have 8 vertices in a cube. Let's move forward. So the next one is a sphere. So let's look at the given picture. That's a sphere. So what do you think? How many faces are there in the shape? Well, you just said correct. It has one shape. However, there is no vertex or edges in case of a sphere. And it has only one curved face. So let's move forward, and here are a few questions for you to practice. You can pause the video here and you can give them a try, and once you're done with the given questions, you can resume the video to check your answers. Well, congratulations if all of your answers are correct, and thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.